Hi, my name is Greta and this is another tutorial video from Attention Insight. Today, I will show you how much difference in the effectiveness of a design a simple adjustment can make and what makes an object stand out. This is a banner ad for Beats wireless headphones, providing a photo of the product, following a color palette, including the title and a description, price and a purchase link. The product and the title being the most important objects in this design naturally require the most users' attention. Let's generate a heat map and see if a design serves its purpose. Select Plugins, Attention Insight, Generate Heat Map. Now we can see that all of the viewer's attention goes to the text area. What we want is not only the text to be a focal point, but also the product that is being advertised. The problem is, the product is quite hidden in this design and you can only see a part of it, while the B symbol, a signature symbol of the Beats brand, is not visible enough either. In order to fix this, first of all, let's drag the object down and place it vertically in the middle of the artboard. Secondly, change the color of the text so that it is less contrasting with the color of the headphones. I will choose white. And thirdly, apply the gradient effect to the background so that the area around the object is lighter, which attracts a user's attention. Let's generate a heat map again. Now we can see that both the title and the object, especially the symbol, are noticeable to users. This brings to the conclusion that by changing a text color, adding a gradient, and changing a position of an object, we can make it stand out more. Thank you and see you in my next tutorial videos.